User experience is definitely, the biggest differentiator that a internet product company can create, and one which is actually easier to create than any other differentiator. Is just about putting the right resources and time and effort into it, right? I think a lot of Indian companies treat design as more of a sideline function, which it's like we get the designs from the designers and we write code against it and get it up. But I think design needs to be treated as a core function. It needs to be a core product function, whereby all product decisions, your design team needs to be involved in them, and they need to feel as much ownership of the product as the developers do or the business owners do. And that's the only way to make design and UX the heart of the product, right? So that's how we do it here. We actually ensure that all design decisions are actually taken with deliberation in mind and with a lot of validation from consumers, right? So we do not build our user experience without having some validation on the fact that what we are going to offer is going to be liked by them. Whether we do it as a small MVP or even as a small mock-up that we send across to people and get their reaction on. But we pay a lot of attention to user experience, and it's probably the biggest reason why we had very quick word of mouth growth in the early days, because the user experience was good, the site was fast, it was very easy to navigate, and it was difficult on many other sites to actually find the information you wanted, because it was hidden like 3 steps or 4 steps away, and just making it surface in one step, even just how you design the information architecture can be a major UX revolution, right? And I see a lot of companies in India, actually a lot of startups are paying attention to it now, which is a great sign, but it really remains one big competitive differentiator for any tech company.